Hello everyone, Kayla here with the Eco series. You may be wondering why Eco Styler. That is not a new or fresh product, but I'm going to tell you why. I have never used Eco Styler all over my head for a curly style wash and go. I used to use it for a wash and fro where I just slapped the product on my hair haphazardly to create a fro type look because I thought that that's what my natural curl pattern was. And then I also used to use it to slick back my buns because y'all, I used to love a slick bun. I don't always do it, but I do like when my hair is pulled back and I look all super, I don't know, professional like, I don't know. But I use Eco Styler for that as well. But I've never actually raked it through my hair and done it like it is now since I started wearing my hair more on the curly side of things. I also know that Eco Styler is a type 4 natural favorite and it is very, very, very widely and easily available. My favorite gel is Wetline Extreme, and some people cannot find that gel or they have to order it and things like that. And no matter where you live, you can pretty much find Eco Styler gel everywhere. Even if you don't even have beauty supply stores near you, you can find Eco Styler. So that's why I wanted to bring it out as well. All the gels in this series will be level 10 hold, because your girl ain't playing around. I might bump it down later depending on how I feel about these gels, okay? I selected 3 gels, and the gel that I decided to start with is the Eco Styler Olive Oil Gel. This gel is extremely widely available. It's not one of the rarer Eco Styler gels. It ran me, I think it was $3 and some change at Walgreens, and I got I think it was like a 26-ounce product. It was larger than the other 2 gels that I bought for the same price. So it was it was more than 16 ounces, I want to say. So pretty decent sized gel that I got. The smell of it, it does kind of smell like, vibe with me on this, okay? So say there's a man and he has on like really strongly scented cologne-y deodorant, right? And then he goes about his day, and then you know where the body smell mishes with the cologne smell, like it still smells good but you know, like worn. That's kind of what this gel smells like. It has a very masculine, I wear cologne or really scented deodorant type smell, which is fine, but I don't remember that from earlier when I used to use it. As far as the application goes, I found that it was extremely smooth, which might have to do with the fact that I've made a couple slight modifications to my wash routine, so that now my entire wash routine from beginning to the end is shorter than 2 hours, and my wash and go styling is 30 minutes of that. So 30 minutes, whole head done, and y'all know I got some thick hair and my hair is a decent length as well. So I was able to rake this stuff through my hair like nothing, and I know a lot of people complain about not being able to get this through their hair, or they complain about it being just difficult to work with if you don't use small sections. I do use small sections on my hair regardless of the gel that I use. I am going to try to use bigger sections like I've done with some other gels and gotten away with and still got a decent look. I'm going to try it next time I wash my hair, but I thought it applied very smoothly, which is, I didn't remember it doing that. So the results, here they are so far. The ends are particularly really nice. The roots I think are a little puffy. That might be because I kind of dip my hair under some water after I do my hair to get that water wave effect, you know what I'm saying? That helps to spread the product more evenly and you just get a better look, I think. So that's that. I can already tell it's going to be a decent wash and go, even if it's not, you know, like the bomb, because my hair is hanging longer. It's always hard to show my hair because I've got that black thing. Ooh. Okay, so my hair is hanging longer, so that's a sign that it's going to dry pretty good. I feel like my hair is a little bit more down than it would normally be with other products, so we'll see about that. I didn't really think that it was going to be super shiny when it dries. I don't know yet. If it doesn't dry shiny, that's okay, because I know how to add shine to gels that are not shiny. I figured that out, and the secret is putting another gel over the top that does have shine. Just glaze it over as a finisher, and it usually does help with the shine for dull gels. I just don't know if this is going to be, I don't remember how my hair used to look with this. I think it was shiny, but I don't remember. So, and again, I didn't use it like this. So when I come back with dry hair, I am going to definitely speak to the drying time. That's really important for someone like me, and I am going to speak to, you know, how it looks when it dries, and then I also kind of want to add extra info about how long the style lasts. So I'm excited to embark on this eco style journey, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video and the other eco style videos. Okay, so I am back with a completely different wash and go than I had when I first left you. It's just that I really did not like several things about that previous wash and go, and I think a lot of that had to do with human error though, because I was able to get a much better wash and go the next day. The first thing I did not like was the parting. It was like a dead-on, like hard left part, and my hair was like definitely to the side. I thought that was weird shaped, and then my ends were straight looking, and then my roots were kind of puffy. So the puffy roots with the weird parting and the straight ends kind of just made my hair hang funny, and I just wasn't feeling it. I actually technically did come back with that wash and go, because on the Black Friday videos, my hair is in ponytails, a low one and a high one, and that's that wash and go at like 4 or 5 days old. And so I fixed some of the issues and came back with the same gel. This hair is completely styled with the same gel, and the first thing I fixed was the parting. I like the kind of flow over parting, and so I managed to get it like that because I prefer it. Then the second thing that I did was I made sure to get more product in my roots so my hair has more definition to the roots. And then the last thing I did was the ends. I managed to fix them. Check them out. They are curled and coiled up. And so what I did was I plopped my hair into a satin scarf instead of a t-shirt and sat under the dryer for like an hour to just crisp up those ends and set that. Then I came back and let my hair down and sat under the dryer and dried it as much as I could, because my hair does not do that well under the soft bonder dryer that I use. And the results are that my hair looks a lot better because I fixed all of those issues that I had before. Now, the drying time of this, it takes just about as long as my regular gel takes for it to dry. However, if I was air drying with my regular gel, my ends would begin to crisp up and I would have a little shrinkage. My hair stayed at the bra strap length that it hangs at when it's wet the entire time when I air dried with the last wash and go, until I sat under the dryer, and that's when it finally shrunk up. So it definitely took longer to dry because I can tell how fast it's drying by the shrinking, and the shrinking really wasn't happening very quickly. This gel performs about the same as mine because it's got movement, it's got hang time. What am I hanging at? Like armpit length on the longest layers. That's about what I would get with my regular hair gel. The movement is really great. The shine, I'd say, is a slight bump below my usual gel, but it's nice, you know. And overall, my experience with this gel is very pleasant, a lot better than back when I used to just do a wash and fro and slap it on and have a fro that really had no definition. And now I'm able to slap it on and I have definition. So there's a definite difference there, and that's just because my hair is in different condition and I have different expectations of my hair. So overall, a positive experience with this gel. Next up, I'm going to be trying the Argan Oil gel. That is, again, one that I have actually tried before. So the very last gel in this series will be one that I've never tried before. And all the information will be in the description box, anything that you want to know. And if it's not, you can drop a comment down below. Thumbs up this video and share it with your friends. That would really help me out. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video.